One scalp strategy for 1 or 5 minute time frame. Stay with us until the end of video for learning all things about this strategy with high win rate and high reward like this position. Let's go and start tutorial. Guys, for this strategy you want to see and search for a spike leg. Guys, like our video, subscribe our channel and write your all question under this video. Here we have one spike leg, two spike leg here, spike leg like here, or spike candles, guys. Here too you can see we have a spike leg, guys. Here we have another spike leg like this area. After a spike leg, we want to see for pullback candle. For example, here when a spike leg going up, we have higher low with these three candle, guys, like here. When the lowest price of the previous candle of a spike leg was broken, doesn't matter for us with body or shadow, we can say we have a pullback candle like this. When pullback candle was made, we want to mark FVG or fair value gap of the spike leg or the one leg. We can mark the highest price of this candle to the lowest price of the third candle as a FVG. We can use this FVG as support. For example, here we can mark the highest price as this candle to the third candle, like here, the lowest price of the third candle, and we can use this candle, use this FVG or fair value gap zone as support zone, guys. When we found a spike leg and with pullback candle mark FVG or fair value gap, we can use retracement Fibonacci, guys. For Fibonacci, we mark the lowest price of the first candle at the highest price of the last candle, like here. After that, we can mark three line FVG as support or resistance zone. 0.5, 0.618, 0.786 as support zone on bullish spike leg. After that, we can say for pulling back on this zone as support zone, an open line position with a stop loss behind the zone. You can see with this strategy we can make higher reward and 5R, guys. Let's see another example on bearish spike leg. Here you can see we have bearish spike leg like here. When the pullback leg was made, for example, where is the first pullback? Where our first pullback was here. We can mark all FVGs for this leg. Here we can't find FVG2. Let's shift to another leg. Here we have one pullback leg with this candle. We can mark FVG and stay for price pulling back under this zone. After that, we can use the retracement Fibonacci, draw this Fibonacci, the highest price of this leg to the lowest price of this leg, and we can mark three line of Fibonacci as resistance zone, like here 0.5, 0.618, 0.786 as resistance zone. When price pulling back under this zone, we can open short position and put our stop behind this zone and making high reward and high win rate with this strategy. For example, here we have 4R from this position. Guys, like our video, subscribe our channel and write your all question under this video. Have a good time. Goodbye.